Alright, today we're going to speak about the documents that the banks are going to require from you to get pre-qualified. 4 points with 4 Point Realtors. Let me get into it. So first point, proof of income. If you're in a 804, well, you know the thing. Job letter, payslip. Now if you're a sole trader, we're looking at your registration documents and 6 months of bank statements. So let me talk to the entrepreneurs for a little bit. It is extremely important that you deposit every penny that you make. Reason being, the banks look at deposits. They don't look at withdrawals, luckily for us. Deposits are the only items that they will acknowledge as income. So you could walk in how much receipts and invoices you want. If it's not recorded in the bank statement, they'll go brace you. So partner, even if you make $20 for the day and you're on your way home, you get the call from the madam. All the fellas only know the call. Bring our bread when you come in. Before you buy that bread, pass by ATM, deposit that $20 and withdraw it. The second documents will be proof of address. Yep, utility bill. So if the utility bill is not on your name, then you'll have to get an authorization letter from whoever name it's on. Some banks also accept bank statements from other banks, actually. Third documents, IDs. So you'll have to provide 2 forms of identification, either national ID, driver's license, or passport. At this stage, that's enough to get pre-qualified. So you'll know how much you're working with, and as I shared in the last video, you can start looking for property within that price range. So when you actually find that property, you now move into the final stage, which is to move from being qualified to now approved for that specific property. At that time, you'll have to show them the 4th document, which is proof of deposit. Now, the deposit is something that you're going to have on your own accord. Unfortunately, you can't take a loan to provide the deposit. The amount of the deposit depends on how much you're being financed. For example, if the bank agreed to finance you 90%, then you will have to come up with the other 10% out of your own accord. Typically, the document required for this will be a bank statement showing your bank balance that could cover the deposit necessary. Or let's say you're being gifted the down payment by your parents. Well, they'll have to provide a letter with IDs, and the letter must specifically state that you are not obligated to repay them. So in a nutshell, those are the documents that you're going to need for the pre-qualification process. As usual, if you find this video informative, I urge you to like, subscribe, follow us, but more importantly, share with your colleagues. Michael Lee of 4 Point Realtors. Until next time.